Hey everyone, today, we will talk about a cricketer who transformed Indian Test cricket, the one and only one legend, Virat Kohli. From his debut to iconic knocks, from captaincy records to legacy, every word unpacks a part of history. Throughout, we will draw parallels to innovation, mental strength, and leadership traits that are as important in boardrooms as they are on the pitch. With 123 tests, 92 30 runs, and 40 victories, Kohli didn't just play, he defined modern Test cricket. As he bids farewell, let's journey through his milestones, mindset, and moments that shaped an era. Let's uncover the legacy of a once-in-a-generation titan. In 2011, against the West Indies, Kohli made his Test debut. Like tech startups, early versions faced criticism, and Kohli too struggled initially. But within 3 years, he turned promise into performance. He wasn't just playing, he was preparing for greatness. Data doesn't lie. Kohli's 123 tests, 9,230 runs, and an average of 48.65 speak of elite consistency. His 30 centuries and 7 double tons, more than Tendulkar or Sehwag, set a benchmark for future Indian greats. In a world driven by metrics, Kohli's numbers remain the gold standard. Greatness is about consistency under all conditions. Kohli scored centuries in every Sena nation, a feat few manage. From bouncy Perth to swinging leads, he decoded every pitch. This isn't just talent, it's adaptation, the same principle that fuels AI, evolution, and leadership alike. 2016 to 2018 was Kohli 2.0, a masterclass in batting and focus. In just 35 tests, he scored 14 centuries. Think about that, a century every 2.5 matches. It was during this time that Test viewership in India surged, proving once again that performance drives passion. Kohli took over as captain in 2014. India had talent, but under him, it gained aggression, fitness, and fearlessness. With 40 wins in 1968 tests, he became India's most successful captain. Like Elon Musk pushing innovation, Kohli pushed teammates, not just to win, but to dominate. Being the first to do something is what creates legends. Kohli was the first Asian captain to win tests in all 4 Sena countries, and the first Indian skipper to win a series in Australia. Just like Neil Armstrong said, one small step, Kohli's steps changed history. From fastest to 7,000 runs to most double centuries by an Indian, Kohli's career is filled with rare feats. What sets him apart is not just breaking records, but doing it with intent. His hunger for milestones mirrored the mindset of an innovator, never satisfied, always reaching. Some knocks become folklore. His 141 in Adelaide, 149 at Edgbaston, and 254 in Pune weren't just scores, they were statements. When pressure crushed others, Kohli stood taller. These moments inspire. Like Edison's 1,000 failed attempts, every great moment has a backstory of great. Kohli didn't just play, he transformed Test cricket's fitness culture. He made yo-yo tests mandatory and inspired a new generation to choose lean over lazy. This fitness-first mindset parallels modern innovation. Healthier systems produce more output. 2020-21 saw Kohli struggle with form, yet his comeback proved what legends are made of. Like a tech reboot, his mental resolve upgraded him. Mental health, resilience, and bounce-back spirit, Kohli proved that failure is not final unless you quit. Kohli made whites fashionable again. He brought aggression, audience, and Instagram appeal to a format that was losing its sheen. Just like Tesla revived electric cars, Kohli revived red ball cricket in the age of T20. In 2025, Kohli played his last test versus Australia, poetic, since he began his captaincy journey there too. It wasn't just the end of a career, it was the passing of a torch. The control now shifts to a new generation, nurtured by Kohli's legacy. Virat Kohli's legacy is not just in runs or wins, it's in mindset, fitness, and leadership. He redefined what it means to be a Test cricketer. As he steps off the pitch, he leaves behind a roadmap for aspiring legends, one paved with passion, discipline, and belief. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.